NS52 is a luminaire that can be used both indoor and outdoor. The interesting part about the luminaire is that it's almost 360 degrees light output, which means that a lot of lighting designers is actually using this luminaire with different colors to create art, lighting art. If you use it for general lighting, then the lumen per watt is pretty high, and you can use it either for offshore, or you can also use it for places where there's a little bit more salty environments. Now, this luminaire here, for instance, is equipped with a socket in one end and a socket in the other end. We can either do that so we have a socket in each end, or we can do it with a sealed end cap in one end and a socket in the other end. Why we do this is because we want to avoid that water enter into this lamp, so it will be our system that you have to use for installation this luminaire. This also means that we provide the power cords, and we provide also the plugs, so it's able to be installed really easy. Now, of course, the installation will be quite short doing that, and it's also important for us, as I mentioned, that no water will enter in the tough environments that we are talking about here. This luminaire comes in the beginning. I mentioned something about red, green and blue. We can do that. We can also do other things like tunable white and so on. But overall, a really interesting luminaire if you want to have either lighting design or a really stable solution either of offshore. It can also be other places like industrial buildings.